Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So we are opening up Allure Beauty Box, and this is the first box that they raised their price, so October is. So it went from $15 a month to $23, and that's a big jump. So I didn't look at any spoilers, but I did see some people I'm subscribed to, their thumbnails kind of made it seem a little negative. And some people told me it seems like it's the same. I'm trying to keep an open mind. We'll see what we think today. Just first off the bat, the box is a little bit bigger. So yeah, apparently we're supposed to get more full-size items, at least 3. Before it was at least 2. And I believe before the retail value was at least $70, and now it's at least $100. So we'll see if it's worth it. But before we do so, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, especially beauty boxes, and I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We currently have a giveaway going on that's ending soon. It is inside the Glossy Box unboxing for October. So if you guys missed that, I will link that down below. Yeah, let's get this box open and see what's inside. So right off the bat, looks the same card-wise at least. I can't even tell what's in there, but it seems mostly deluxe size, I don't know. So we have pretty model, and on the inside they talk about the items. They give full-size pricing. Really just it's about like why the editors chose these items. And I don't know if this is the theme or not, but it says Screen Gab. I don't read that all. Let's get started. So first up is an eye serum. So the Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. I've never heard of Verso skincare. So when you have a serum for your eyes, you use it before your eye moisturizer, or does it take its place? So it's firming and smoothing, and this is pretty big. It's not a full fluid ounce, but for an eye cream, it looks like it'd be a full fluid ounce, but it's 20 milliliters or 0.67. I don't know, but I'm actually almost out of my eye cream that has retinol in it, so I'm not like mad about this, but I feel like we get eye creams in like every box. But let's move on to the next item. And by the way, this is probably full size, right? This is probably one of the full size items. On here it says it is $65. So is this going to be the bulk of our value? We shall see. Next, we have something by Dr. Jart. This is a ceramidin cream. And this is a deluxe size, but it's bigger than the normal Dr. Jart samples we get in this box. I always pass them on anyways because Dr. Jart, unfortunately, is not a cruelty-free brand. But yeah, it's just a cream that's supposed to be good at retaining moisture, apparently. The full size would be $48. Next up, by the New company, or New, N-U-E. This is their Topical C. It says potent powdered vitamin C is activated in the palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten skin. Oh, that's cool. This is a powder. I feel like I got a powder version like in a FabFitFun forever ago, but I ended up passing it on. So vitamin C is like really unstable, but in powder form, it isn't. So this will last. It is more stable, I should say. It will last longer and be more potent. So yeah, this is full of powder. So the only thing with like powders is I worry people can like overdose, but I feel like vitamin C is a little bit safer. I just was watching some like of the skincare people on YouTube talk about how powders can be dangerous. Some people think like the more they use the better, when really it's not. So just FYI, if you want to look into it, they'll explain it better. Wow, so I think this is full size and it says it's $70. You know, I'm really excited about this product the most. Oh, looks like we have a Sigma lipstick. This looks like a small box, but I don't mind getting lipstick minis. A liquid lipstick. I was thinking it'd be a bullet this size. In Venom? Looks like a red. Definitely a mini, but I don't mind. This looks pretty. I don't know if I've ever tried a Sigma liquid lipstick. I have had a bullet lipstick, and I have a lip liner as well. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm excited to see how this wears. Maybe I'll put this on later. I don't really like my lip going on. I'm having one of those days where I just like was doing my makeup forever, and then all of a sudden I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to go to dinner in like an hour, like less than that now. I'm like, I was gonna film all these videos, but Allure came first. But let's move on. We have something by La Roche-Posay. This is their Lipicar Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. It's for extra dry, sensitive skin in babies, children, and adults, so like everyone. it's appropriate for body and face, so this must be a deluxe size. See, I don't get super dry skin and I live in a humid climate, so I might pass this on because I know when I lived in the Midwest, which I did for the majority of my life, I definitely got drier skin. You get 15 milliliters in here. So not very exciting, but I think it's appropriate for the box. And next it looks like we have a nail polish in a really pretty color. I need to do my nails. I did those gel press-on ones and they just came off like the next day or same day. But this is by Static Nails Non-Toxic Liquid Glass Lacquer. I'm going out for a drink for like an hour and I'm like, liqueur. You guys have caught me do that before. Lacquer, it's a lacquer, not liqueur. That comes later. And this is in the shade Irene and it's $16, it says right on the bottom. I've never tried this brand. I just want to put on some paper and look at it. I'll do that later. I wish I could do it now. This is so pretty. Yeah, I love this shade and I feel like if I mess up, it will look good. It's like, it will not be as obvious. So it looks just like it does in the bottle. And then we have some foil packets. Oh, and an eye mask. This is by Native Fig. This is their replenishing shampoo and replenishing conditioner. At first I was gonna be like, I have this already, but it's their their leave-in conditioner. I knew I recognized this. I have the leave-in conditioner that goes with this, and this is fine. I feel like I tried to use it recently because my other one ran out and it wasn't really coming out of the bottle, so I haven't really used this much. You can see it's full. So yeah, just foil packets. These usually don't excite me. Usually I give these as like extras for my Mercari shop. But last up, this is by Wilma Schumann, and I've tried these before and I do really like them. They're the Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads, and this one pack of them. And yeah, that's it. So definitely heavy on the skincare. I could see why people aren't super excited. I feel like for their first box with the raised price, it should have been like a big makeup item. I feel like a lot of people that subscribe to beauty boxes, you know, they initially did so for the makeup, but a lot of them are turning to be more skincare heavy, and I do love skincare. But I'm overloaded with it. But I'll be honest, like I'm really excited that we got the vitamin C powder. Like this is something I don't have currently in my collection and I will use. And it has a $70 value, so this made the box for me for sure. The nail polish and the lippy, definitely excited about that. Oh no, did I get the lipstick on my jumpsuit? Hopefully not. But everything else is kind of, oh, and the eye serum, because I am actually almost out of my eye retinol, so I will definitely try this. I still need to figure out if you use a moisturizer after the serum, like, is that why it's called that? I don't know, someone let me know, please. So yeah, I'm not like hugely disappointed. Like, I don't feel ripped off. I feel like I got my money's worth because we got 2 high ticket like skincare items. I just wish they put like a full-size lipstick, or even though personally I don't care because I never go through lipsticks, but like just something a little bit more exciting, because I know that's probably why people were just expecting a little extra. I do think it's a little bit more than the regular or before. So wait, so the nail polish must be one of the full-size. But these two alone are $135 and this is $16, so it's like, yeah, $151 or whatever. Yeah, so not bad. Doesn't suck, but it doesn't wow me either. I would love to hear what you guys think down below. I know November spoilers are out, and someone said again it like looks the same. I don't know, I didn't look into it myself. I try not to look at spoilers, but I don't know why, because I always forget anyways, because I have so many boxes and stuff coming away. But yeah, what do you guys think? Are you still subscribed to Allure? Because I know if you subscribe for a whole year, you lock in the lower price. I just don't have that kind of income right now, and I don't know, I'm gonna keep opening it unless you guys don't want to see it on my channel anymore, but I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for being here and opening this with me, and thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn the perks and join. I'd absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.